you have a part of your practice, and I'm calling it this, like holistic dentistry. What does that mean?
It's a special way that we run our practice. And you know, you hear the word holistic used a lot today, right? But what it really means is that you pay attention to the whole patient, you know, all of their concerns. But I think what you're pointing to is that we use materials in our office that are biologically compatible for the patient. You know, historically, there have been a lot of materials in dentistry that maybe aren't so good for the human body. So there's been a lot of research and a lot of testing, and we only use materials that have passed these certain tests.
So fillings in your practice aren't going to be metal?
Never.
Never?
Never. Okay. I've been a dentist for 25 years. I haven't done a filling since I got out of school.
Now, don't you need like special equipment to remove those fillings for people that already have them?
Yes, and we do all that, and it's just the way...
Is that common? I mean, is that like the word on the street, people are getting them removed?
In our practice, yes.
Okay.
You know, because it's just our philosophy is that those fillings are poison. And they are.
Okay.
They are. If you were to have them in your office, they come with a skull and crossbones on the package.
Oh, is that right?
Yes. So, you know, all of our equipment and all of our materials are designed so that our patients are getting the best treatment and materials for their body.